Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our Social Studies 4th Standard video class. So, in the previous class, I have taught you the second chapter, that is Topography of India. Yes, and in this class, I am going to explain about the question and answers of second lesson, that is the northern mountains and plains. Okay, so take your classwork notebook and write a heading as second lesson, that is topography of India. Yes, and subheading is the northern mountains and plains. Yes, so write very neatly, don't make any mistakes. I will repeat each question 2 times. Okay, so first question is answer the following questions. Yes, answer the following questions. So among them, first, that is a question. Write alphabet A. What are perennial rivers? Yes, what are perennial rivers? Put question mark. Give 3 examples. Give 3 examples. Over. So write down answer. Perennial rivers, perennial rivers, P-E-R-E-N-N-I-A-L, perennial rivers are those rivers which exhibit a continuous flow of water throughout the year. Write down example: Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra river. Okay, so write second one question. B1 question: the Himalayan mountains are spread across 5 countries. Name them. So write down answer. The Himalayan mountains are spread across 5 countries. They are India, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, and China. Yes, over. Fine. Next one question is C1 question. The Himalayas act as a natural barrier for India. Full stop. Give 3 reasons to support the statement. Okay, write answer. Among them, there are 3 points. First point: they stop the beating winds. They stop the beating cold winds from entering India, thus keeping us warm. Next, second one point: they also stop the rain bearing winds from leaving India, which results in good rainfall in the country. Yes, and third point is the rich forest of the Himalayas provides us valuable products. Next, fourth one question, write down. Name the three parallel ranges of the Himalayas. Yes, name the three parallel ranges of the Himalayas. So write down the Himadris. The Himadris in bracket Greater Himalayas. In bracket Greater Himalayas, close the bracket, comma, Himachal Range. Himachal Range. Himachal Range. In the bracket Lesser Himalaya. Lesser Himalaya. Next, Shivaliks. Shivaliks. In the bracket Lower Himalayas. Lower Himalayas. Okay. Next, fifth one question, that is E1. Name the seven states. Name the seven states that are covered by the northern plains. Northern plains. So write down answer. Punjab in the west. Punjab in the west. Assam in the east. Assam in the east. Haryana, comma, Uttarakhand, comma, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. These are the seven states. That are covered by the northern plains. Okay. Next one, sixth one question. Why are the northern plains so fertile? Yes. Why are the northern plains so fertile? Yes. Write down answer. Rivers like Indus, Brahmaputra, and Ganga flow down the Himalayas into the plains. They carry with them a lot of silt which they deposit on the flat plains. That's why northern plains so fertile. Next one question, G1. How do the farmers of Punjab and Haryana irrigate their fields? So write down answer. As Punjab and Haryana don't receive much rainfall, so the farmers of Punjab and Haryana mostly depend upon rivers, canals, and dams. So write down second one question, fill in the blanks. First question is, the Himalayan mountains together with the Karakoram, underline this one, Karakoram range and the Hindu Kush, underline, is mountains from the northern mountains. Yes. Next one, rivers Yamuna, is underline Yamuna, rivers Yamuna and Gangas, underline Gangas, meet at Allahabad. Yes, rivers Yamuna and Gangas meet at Allahabad. Next, C1, rivers Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Rivers Alaknanda and Bhagirathi join at Devprayag to form the Gangas. Yes. Fourth one, the Ganga basin, underline Ganga basin, is called the foot bowl of India. Yes, the Ganga basin is called the foot bowl of India. Next, even fifth question, the river Satluj flows through the border region of Punjab in India. Yes, underline Punjab. Yes. Last one, rivers Brahmaputra and Satluj originate in Tibet. So underline Brahmaputra and Satluj. Okay. Next, third question, write T for true and F for wrong statements. Okay, so among them, first one is the Himalayas are broader in the west and narrow down towards the east. Yes, that is true. Yes, you should write T. Second one, the Siachen Glacier is the longest glacier in the world. Yes, that is false. Yes. Third one, Nanda Devi is the highest peak exclusively in India. Yes, that is false. Fourth one, the Shivalik range is always covered with snow. The Shivalik range is always covered with snow. That is false. Next, the Himadris range is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. That is true. Last one is river Indus flows through eastern India. That is false. Next, match the columns. Fourth question, match the columns. In the A section, Gangotri Glacier is there, Yamunotri, Rohtang Pass and Nathula Pass is there. So let us see first one, Gangotri Glacier. Yes, Gangotri Glacier. So in the B column, so you should connect to the fourth one option, that is Gangas. Yes, Gangotri Glacier, connect to the Gangas. Next, Yamunotri. Yes, you should connect or you should match to the first option, that is Yamuna. Yes. Next, Rohtang Pass. In the A column, you should match this one to the second option in the B column, that is Himachal Pradesh. Next, Nathula Pass. Yes, in the B column, third option is there, that is Sikkim. Okay. And fifth one question is there, give one word answers. So among them, first is the highest peak in the world, that is Mount Everest. Second one, the second highest peak in the world, that is K2 or Godwin Austen. K2 or Godwin Austen. Next, third one, Greater Himalayas. Yes, Greater Himalayas are also known as Himadris. Himadris. Fourth one, Lesser Himalaya. Yes, Lesser Himalayas. Yes, they are known as Himachal Range. Himachal Range. Fourth one, Lower Himalayas. Lower Himalayas. They are also known as Shivaliks. Shivaliks. Fifth one, River Ganges. River Ganges enters the plain here. Yes, where? That is in Haridwar. Yes. Fifth one, largest delta in the world. Largest delta in the world, that is Sundarbans. Sundarbans. And sixth one, the first island district of India, that is Majuli. Yes. And last one question, sixth one, name, that is we have to give example of 4 or 3, okay, belongings to questions. So first one is 4 things the Himalayan forest provide us with. Yes, which are the things that provides by the forest? So write down: timber, medicinal herbs, honey, and resins. Yes, so these are the things which provides forest, Himalayan forest. Okay. Second one, 4 animals found in the Shivalik range. So write down: wild yaks, snow leopards, rhinoceros, and tigers. Okay. Next, third question, 3 valleys in the Himachal range. 3 valleys, Himachal range. First one is the Kashmir, Kullu and Kangra valleys. Fourth one question, 5 hill stations in the Himachal range. 5 hill stations in the Himachal range. So write down answer: Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, and last one is Gangtok. Okay. And last one question is 2 national parks in the Shivalik range. So they are Kanchirang National Park and Jim Corbett National Park. Yes, or fine. So this is the question answer of second lesson. Okay, so thank you for watching video.